So, my garage door is sticking and it won't go all the way up. I've already checked the motor. It made changes to some of the settings as far as the pressure for pulling the door up, pulling it back down. But I think it's more than that. What I'm gonna do is, let's doing it again. What I'm gonna do is lube all the parts that turn and pull the pulleys. And we're gonna pause 1 second and come back to the video. Okay. We wanna lube all the wheels. So I'm gonna use some lubricant penetrating oil to lube all the pulleys, the wheels, the springs on this garage door. Let's see if we can get it to work. And I'm gonna disengage the garage door opener by pulling down on this rope. And I'm gonna manually lift this garage door. You can see brackets, the door. I put this bracket in place to secure this door. It was trying to fold in. So instead of buying a new one right away, I put a support bar. But I'm gonna manually lift this door to give all the wheels and the pulleys and the spring one good rotation. Then when I bring it back down, I will re-engage the garage door opener. Let's see, after lubing the door, the springs and the pulleys and the wheels, let's see. And just like that, folks, you save yourself about $300 to $400 for calling a repairman just by lubing your wheels, your springs, your pulleys, disengaging, letting the door up to give it to let the lube cycle through, letting it back down, or re-engaging while it's up top. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more videos coming in the future. Thank you.